welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern architectural home with sleek lines and large glass windows, surrounded by a colorful garden landscape. The scene captures a serene evening ambience, with warm golden lights glowing from the interior, contrasting against the soft twilight sky. The garden features various succulents, cacti, and vibrant yellow flowers, arranged harmoniously among smooth stepping stones leading to the entrance. The structure combines natural materials like wood and stone, with a flat roof and minimalist details, set against a lush backdrop of greenery and tall cypress trees. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, emphasizing vivid colors, clean textures, and a tranquil atmosphere. A cozy, charming cottage with blue wooden siding nestled within a vibrant flower garden. The scene is set in the early evening, with warm, glowing lights illuminating the front porch, highlighting the inviting atmosphere. The garden bursts with an array of colorful flowers, daisies, marigolds, and zinnias, creating a tapestry of hues that includes bright yellows, pinks, and purples. Delicate flower baskets hang from window boxes, and a white picket fence frames the lush garden, enhancing the picturesque quaintness. The surrounding trees are lush and green, adding a sense of tranquility, while the sky is softly illuminated by the fading sunlight, evoking a feeling of warmth and serenity. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, capturing intricate details of nature and architecture, creating a heartwarming and idyllic scene. A serene modern garden scene featuring a gently flowing stream bordered by smooth river stones, leading to a contemporary house with large glass windows. The setting is illuminated by warm, golden sunlight filtering through lush greenery, with vibrant pink flowers and verdant grass enhancing the natural beauty. A backdrop of elegant bamboo stalks adds a touch of softness, while the wooden deck extends invitingly towards the water's edge. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, capturing intricate details of the foliage and reflections in the water, with harmonious color palettes of earthy tones, greens, and soft pinks creating a tranquil atmosphere. A cozy wooden cottage with a rustic charm, featuring a sloped roof and an inviting porch adorned with rocking chairs. The house is surrounded by a vibrant, lush garden filled with a variety of blooming flowers in hues of purple, orange, and pink, creating a tapestry of colors. A winding pathway made of smooth wooden planks leads through the garden, bordered by a mix of gravel and colorful blooms. The scene is set under a soft, overcast sky that gently diffuses the light, enhancing the rich greens of the foliage and the vivid colors of the flowers. The overall aesthetic is highly detailed and hyperrealistic, capturing the tranquility and beauty of a serene countryside retreat. A serene modern garden scene featuring a contemporary house made of stone and glass surrounded by lush greenery. The front yard showcases a variety of vibrant succulent plants and colorful flowers, creating a harmonious blend of colors like soft greens, bright oranges, and rich blues. Large, smooth boulders are strategically placed throughout the garden, enhancing the natural feel of the landscape. A set of wide, stepped stone stairs leads up to the entrance of the house, which is framed by tall cacti and smaller shrubs adding texture and depth. The background includes tall trees and an open sky, with warm, soft lighting suggesting a late afternoon ambience. This hyperrealistic scene captures the tranquility and beauty of modern outdoor living spaces, inviting viewers to imagine a peaceful retreat. A serene garden scene centered around an elegant brick house with a black roof, reminiscent of a classic architectural style. The setting is lush and inviting, with manicured hedges and symmetrical boxwood topiaries creating a designer landscape. A central black fountain gently trickles water, adding a peaceful ambience. The pathway leading up to the house is paved with warm, reddish-brown bricks, contrasting beautifully with the greenery. The garden is bathed in soft, diffused light, suggesting early morning or late afternoon. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, focusing on rich details and vivid colors, deep greens of the foliage, vibrant earth tones of the brick, and the glossy sheen of the fountain. The atmosphere is tranquil and harmonious, evoking a sense of timeless beauty. Cozy cottage exterior in a vibrant garden, featuring a rustic, terracotta-colored adobe facade with a tiled roof. The entrance has a wooden door flanked by large windows, adorned with hanging flower planters overflowing with blooms. In the foreground, a stone path leads through a lush array of colorful flowers, including pinks, purples, and yellows, surrounded by potted succulents and cacti, creating a harmonious balance of textures. Soft natural lighting illuminates the scene, with the backdrop of distant mountains and a clear blue sky, creating a serene, inviting atmosphere. Aesthetic inspired by Impressionism with emphasis on vibrant colors and soft, natural forms.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.